How to turn off dark mode for YouTube on your PC or laptop. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Protect Tutor. You might want to switch from dark theme to the light theme on YouTube. Now, I'll be showing you how to turn off dark mode for YouTube on your PC or laptop. So, let's start. First things first, open your Google Chrome. Then, go to the YouTube homepage, like this. Once you're here, click on three dots in the top right corner to open the drop-down menu. Here, you will see a few options. Just select Appearance. As you can see, there's three options. Use device theme, dark theme and light theme. Since we want to turn off dark mode on this YouTube browser, just click on light theme. And that's it. You've successfully switched from dark theme to the light theme on YouTube browser. It's that easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Protect Tutor for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.